Do you know you might not know that you have been making a huge mistake on YouTube until YouTube then decides to send you an email that your channel has gone against either its policies or its guidelines, and as a result has been demonetized, or that once you get to the monetization threshold, your channel will not get monetized. Guys, you don't want this for yourself, trust me. A lot of people have been getting rejected once they get to that monetization threshold, and in fact some people have been getting demonetized on some of their videos because of this particular issue that I'm going to explain in today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the real reason that YouTube has been demonetizing some people's videos, also the real reason that YouTube has been rejecting some people's monetization requests. I'm also going to share with you some common mistakes that small channels keep making that would enable YouTube to demonetize their channels eventually. Also, if you know that you are already in that situation whereby YouTube already rejected your monetization request, or you already got demonetized on some of your videos, don't worry, just stick through till the end of this video because I'm going to be touching up on every of these things. Okay, so you're going to gain a lot from this particular video. If you're a returning viewer, you're welcome back, and if you're just meeting me for the first time, hello, you're welcome. I'm Ceey, and here I help both small and new content creators to grow their channels on YouTube. I tell you mistakes that you should avoid, and I also tell you things that you want to keep on doing in order for you to grow your channel successfully and fast. So if this sounds like something that you want for your own channel, who know like better thing anyway, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's free of charge, like I would always say, and let's get straight into today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can know that we are discussing something that is very important on this particular video. Thank you. Now, the very first most common issue that a lot of people have been going through, and because of that YouTube has been demonetizing their channels, is this reused content. Do you know that your own content on your own channel, that means your own original content, can actually be tagged reused content by YouTube if you are not very careful? Yes, I know some people that this has happened to, so you want to avoid this. Now, what do I mean by reused content? Whatever thing you know that is not yours originally, that's number one. It is reused content. For example, you get videos from Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. I mean, YouTube shorts, things that are not yours. You remix some shorts in ways that you are not supposed to. All those things can be tagged reused content on YouTube as long as it's not yours. Or you go ahead and pick one of your own videos. Now I'm talking about one of your own videos. So let me use this as an example. I have a second channel, and I'll decide to pick one of my videos from that second channel to put on my own first channel. That is automatically a reused video. Or I upload the same video on two of my channels. That is obviously reused video. Or I take a particular video from this same channel and re-upload it on this same channel using another video. Like maybe I'm creating another video and already filmed one video before on my channel, and now decide to make reference to that video, and as a result I take some clips from that video and put on this particular video and upload. YouTube is still going to tag it as reused content as long as I do not do it the right way. Also, for people who keep creating some AI generated content, please and please be careful. If you want to use all those things, ensure that you make it originally yours. Like, put commentaries there. What do I mean by putting commentaries? For example, you already created some AI graphics and videos and you put on your channel. What you want to do is to now use your own voiceover over it, so that YouTube will take it as it is still yours as an original content. Don't just go ahead and put every item on your video without doing some editing so that YouTube can be able to take it as yours. Now, another thing is using copyrighted content on your channel. Now, before I continue, let me just give you this instance. There was one particular YouTube show that I uploaded on my channel. You know that when you're uploading your YouTube shorts, sometimes you will see a place for add sound. I went ahead to add sound, feeling as though, oh, since it's from YouTube, I can safely use it, right? I added that sound not only for me to discover later that in my YouTube studio, YouTube told me that that particular video had some kind of issues and so would not be monetized. Then they put, this time around, they didn't put that red signal, that red dollar signal. So for people who are not monetized, in order for you to understand this, because eventually you're going to get monetized, right? When you get monetized and you upload videos, as long as those videos are eligible for monetization, you're going to see a green dollar sign. Now, if that particular video has some issues and is not eligible for monetization, you're going to see a red dollar sign. Now, if that particular video is in between, like it has some certain kind of issues, it is going to be an amber colored, like a yellow colored dollar sign. Now, for that particular shot that I uploaded, because I used another person's music, right, from the YouTube ad sound like recommended page, that's where I got the music from. I use it, yet YouTube gave me the yellow dollar sign, and up till now that video has not gotten 1 cent, like 1 cent, ordinary 1 cent. It has not gotten it. So guys, please let us be careful. As long as the music is not yours, don't use it. As long as the picture is not yours, don't use it. As long as the video is not yours, don't use it. And if you must use it, ensure that you use it in a right way so that YouTube doesn't tag it as a copyrighted material. Please let us be careful. Now, one thing that a lot of people might ignore is during your live streams. During your live streams, those are times where you can easily get copyright issues if you are not careful. So during your live streams, be sure to avoid music playing somewhere else that's not even around you. Ensure that as long as your video speaker can pick that music, ensure that you leave that particular place so that it doesn't affect you, or you showing some nude pictures or nude people in your live stream, like someone comes in without wearing a shirt, or mentioning some kind of words that you're not supposed to mention. Please avoid all of those things in your live streams. Now, what can you do in order for you to avoid monetization rejection? Number one, ensure that you do not use copyrighted stuff on your channel. Now, for people who want to be including music into their videos, you can use royalty free music or music from the YouTube audio library. Those are very good. Now, if you want to use royalty free music, once you subscribe to them, an example of one is the Epidemic Sound. Once you subscribe to the Epidemic Sound, they link that website to your own channel so that YouTube will not take it as a copyright music or whatever. So you have to keep subscribing to that particular website. The moment you stop subscribing, those music will start getting copyrighted content. Do you understand? Another thing is, if you have any copyrighted content already on your channel, you can go ahead and remove the music if it's something you can remove, or you can trim that entire segment if it's not something that's not going to affect the entire video. Or if you want to reuse some people's shots, ensure that you have there's that signal that tells you that, oh, this person already allowed it on their channel, before you go ahead and reuse. And when you are reusing, please reuse it the right way. Now, what do you do if YouTube rejects your monetization request? The first thing is, without panicking, go through the email they sent you first, because if you do not go through the email, you won't know exactly what to address. So go through the email, read through it. Now, if you know that you already defaulted, like YouTube was correct with the email they sent you, please don't go ahead to appeal. As long as YouTube was correct, don't go ahead to appeal. If YouTube was not correct, you can go ahead to appeal. But as long as YouTube was not is correct, then don't go ahead to appeal. What you need to do is to now look for ways to, resolve it. Follow what YouTube tells you. It's either you wait for the 30-day window period, and even when you're waiting for the 30-day window period, ensure that you keep uploading good content, original content, because you don't want to get a second one. And don't forget that you getting strikes on your channel can also affect your channel visibility. See, I've gone through some things on this. I've experienced, like, first-hand experience of some things on this YouTube street. My eye don't open. You don't want to get copyright strike on your channel. It can affect your views on your channel. I've gotten all of these things on this channel. I understand what it means. So guys, let us be very, very careful on our channel. So read through, know exactly where the problem is from. Then you'll be able to know how to address the problem. Do you understand? If you have any question, let me get them in the comment section. And if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, please do well to do that now. And do not forget, I take YouTube one-on-one coaching sessions and also video editing one-on-one coaching sessions. If you want to have a one-on-one coaching session with me, get into my description box and click on the link there. It's going to redirect you to my seller store. Then you can book for any of these packages, and I'll see you either in class or any of my other videos. Bye for now.